हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू वीकेंड पर आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज की क्लास में हम यस नो टाइप वाले क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। तो क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स की प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट हैं आई, वी, यू, दे, बॉयज़, ही, शी, रिहान, माधुरी, मदर इन लॉ। ठीक है, मदर इन लॉ सासू माँ को कहते हैं, माई मदर इन लॉ। ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करेंगे। पहला वर्ड हमारे पास में है क्राउन। क्राउन का मतलब होता है मुकुट, ताज, मुकुट या ताज जिसको कहते हैं। तो विल आई हैव क्राउन इंग्लिश में प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, हिंदी तो ऑलरेडी समझ में आ गई होगी। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। विल आई हैव क्राउन? येस यू विल हैव क्राउन। विल आई हैव क्राउन? नो यू विल नॉट हैव क्राउन। विल वी हैव क्राउन? येस वी विल हैव क्राउन। विल वी हैव क्राउन? नो वी विल नॉट हैव क्राउन। यू Will you have crown? Yes, I will have crown. Will you have crown? No, I will not have crown. They, will they have crown? Yes, they will have crown. Will they have crown? No, they will not have crown. Boys, will boys have crown? Yes, boys will have crown. Will boys have crown? No, boys will not have crown. He, will he have crown? Yes, he will have crown. Will he have crown? No, he will not have crown. She, will she have crown? Yes, she will have crown. Will she have crown? No, she will not have crown. Rihan, will Rihan have crown? Yes, Rihan have a crown. Will Rihan have a crown? No, Rihan will not have a crown. Next, Madhuri. Will Madhuri have a crown? Yes, Madhuri will have a crown. Will Madhuri have a crown? No, Madhuri will not have a crown. My mother-in-law. Will my mother-in-law have a crown? Yes, your mother-in-law will have a crown. Will my mother-in-law have a crown? No, your mother-in-law will not have a crown. नेक्स्ट वर्ड हमारे पास में है ब्रोच। ब्रोच मतलब जो शर्ट्स में लगाया जाता है या फिर जो साड़ी में पिन लगता है उसको ब्रोच कहा जाता है। ठीक है, तो आई से स्टार्ट करेंगे। विल आई हैव अ ब्रोच? येस यू विल हैव अ ब्रोच। विल आई हैव अ ब्रोच? नो यू विल नॉट हैव अ ब्रोच। You, will you have a brooch? Sorry, will we have a brooch? Yes, we will have a brooch. Will we have a brooch? No, we will not have a brooch. You, will you have a brooch? Yes, I will have a brooch. Will you have a brooch? No, I will not have a brooch. They, will they have a brooch? Yes, they will have a brooch. Will they have a brooch? No, they will not have a brooch. Boys, will boys have a brooch? Yes, boys will have a brooch. Will boys have a brooch? No, boys will not have a brooch. He, will he have a brooch? Yes, he will have a brooch. Will he have a brooch? No, he will not have a brooch. She, will she have a brooch? Yes, she will have a brooch. Will she have a brooch? No, she will not have a brooch. Rihan, will Rihan have a brooch? Yes, Rihan will have a brooch. Will Rihan have a brooch? No, Rihan will not have a brooch. Madhuri, will Madhuri have a brooch? Yes, Madhuri will have a brooch. Will Madhuri have a brooch? No, Madhuri will not have a brooch. My mother-in-law, will my mother-in-law have a brooch? Yes, your mother-in-law will have a brooch. Will my mother-in-law have a brooch? No, your mother-in-law will not have a brooch. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास में हेयर क्लिप। HAIR, हेयर, CLIP, क्लिप, हेयर क्लिप। जो बाल में लगाने वाला क्लिप होता है उसकी बात हो रही है। आई से स्टार्ट करेंगे। विल आई हैव अ हेयर क्लिप? येस यू विल हैव अ हेयर क्लिप। विल आई हैव अ हेयर क्लिप? नो यू विल नॉट हैव अ हेयर क्लिप। वी, विल वी हैव अ हेयर क्लिप? येस वी विल हैव अ हेयर क्लिप। विल वी हैव अ हेयर क्लिप? नो वी विल नॉट हैव अ हेयर क्लिप। यू, विल यू हैव अ हेयर क्लिप? येस आई विल हैव अ हेयर क्लिप। विल यू हैव अ हेयर क्लिप? नो आई विल नॉट हैव अ हेयर क्लिप। दे, विल दे हैव अ हेयर क्लिप? येस दे विल हैव अ हेयर क्लिप। विल दे हैव अ हेयर क्लिप? नो दे विल नॉट हैव अ हेयर क्लिप। Boys, will boys have a hair clip? Yes, boys will have a hair clip. Will boys have a hair clip? No, boys will not have a hair clip. He, will he have a hair clip? Yes, he will have a hair clip. Will he have a hair clip? No, he will not have a hair clip. She, will she have a hair clip? Yes, she will have a hair clip. Will she have a hair clip? No, she will not have a hair clip. Rihan, will Rihan have a hair clip? Yes, Rihan will have a hair clip. Will Rihan have a hair clip? No, Rihan will not have a hair clip. Madhuri, will Madhuri have a hair clip? Yes, Madhuri will have a hair clip. Will Madhuri have a hair clip? No, Madhuri will not have a hair clip. My mother-in-law, will my mother-in-law have a hair clip? Yes, your mother-in-law have a hair clip. Will my mother-in-law have a hair clip? No, your mother-in-law will not have a hair clip. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास में डायमंड। डायमंड का मतलब होता है हीरा। तो क्या मेरे पास हीरा होगा? Will I have diamond? Yes, you will have diamond. Will I have a diamond? No, you will not have diamond. Will वी से स्टार्ट करेंगे. विल वी हैव डायमंड? यस वी विल हैव डायमंड. विल वी हैव डायमंड? नो वी विल नॉट हैव डायमंड. यू, will you have diamond? Yes I will have diamond. Will you have diamond? No I will not have diamond. They, will they have diamond? Yes they will have diamond. Will they have diamond? No they will not have diamond. Boys, will boys have diamond? Yes boys have diamond. Boys will have diamond. Will boys have diamond? No boys will not have diamond. He, will he have diamond? Yes he will have diamond. Will he have diamond? No he will not have diamond. She, will she have diamond? Yes she will have diamond. Will she have diamond? No she will not have diamond. Rihan, will Rihan have diamond? Yes Rihan will have diamond. Will Rihan have diamond? No Rihan will not have diamond. Madhuri, will Madhuri have diamond? Yes Madhuri will have diamond. Will Madhuri have diamond? No Madhuri will not have diamond. My mother-in-law, will my mother-in-law have diamond? Yes your mother-in-law have diamond. Will my mother-in-law have diamond? No your mother-in-law will not have diamond. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास में ज्वेलरी. ज्वेलरी का मतलब होता है जो गहने होते हैं उनको इंग्लिश में ज्वेलरी कहा जाता है. तो आई से स्टार्ट करेंगे. विल आई हैव ज्वेलरी? यस यू विल हैव ज्वेलरी. विल आई हैव ज्वेलरी? नो यू विल नॉट हैव ज्वेलरी. वी, will we have jewelry? Yes we will have jewelry. Will we have jewelry? No we will not have jewelry. You, will you have jewelry? Yes I will have jewelry. Will you have jewelry? No I will not have jewelry. They, will they have jewelry? Yes they will have jewelry. Will they have jewelry? No they will not have jewelry. Boys, will boys have jewelry? Yes boys will have jewelry. Will boys have jewelry? No boys will not have jewelry. He, will he have jewelry? Yes he will have jewelry. Will he have jewelry? No he will not have jewelry. She, will she have jewelry? Yes she will have jewelry. Will she have jewelry? No she will not have jewelry. Rihan, will Rihan have jewelry? Yes Rihan will have jewelry. Will Rihan have jewelry? No Rihan will not have jewelry. Madhuri, will Madhuri have jewelry? Yes Madhuri will have jewelry. Will Madhuri have jewelry? No Madhuri will not have jewelry. My mother-in-law, will my mother-in-law have jewelry? Yes your mother-in-law have jewelry. Will my mother-in-law have jewelry? No your mother-in-law will not have jewelry. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास में ईयर रिंग्स. ईयर रिंग्स जो कान में पहना जाता है उसको कहते हैं ईयर रिंग्स. तो आई से स्टार्ट करेंगे. Will I have earrings? Yes you will have earrings. Will I have earrings? No you will not have earrings. We, will we have earrings? Yes we will have earrings. Will we have earrings? No we will not have earrings. You, will you have earrings? Yes I will have earrings. Will you have earrings? No I will not have earrings. They, will they have earrings? Yes they will have earrings. Will they have earrings? No they will not have earrings. Boys, will boys have earrings? Yes boys will have earrings. Will boys have earrings? No boys will not have earrings. He, will he have earrings? Yes he will have earrings. Will he have earrings? No he will not have earrings. She, will she have earrings? Yes she will have earrings. Will she have earrings? No she will not have earrings. Rihan, will Rihan have earrings? Yes Rihan will have earrings. Will Rihan have earrings? No Rihan will not have earrings. Madhuri, will Madhuri have earrings? Yes Madhuri will have earrings. Will Madhuri have earrings? No Madhuri will not have earrings. My mother-in-law, will my mother-in-law have earrings? Yes your mother-in-law have earrings. Will my mother-in-law have earrings? No your mother-in-law will not have earrings. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास में एंकलेट. ANKLET. एंकलेट. एंकलेट का मतलब होता है पायल. जो पाँव में महिलाएं पहनती हैं उसको कहते हैं एंकलेट. तो क्या, विल आई हैव anklet? Yes you will have anklet. Will I have anklet? No you will not have anklet. We, will we have anklet? Yes we will have anklet. Will we have anklet? No we will not have anklet. You, will you have anklet? Yes I will have anklet. Will you have anklet? No I will not have anklet. They, will they have anklet? Yes they will have anklet. Will they have anklet? No they will not have anklet. Boys, will boys have anklet? Yes boys will have anklet. Will boys have anklet? No boys will not have anklet. He, will he have anklet? Yes he will have anklet. Will he have anklet? No he will not have anklet. She, will she have anklet? Yes she will have anklet. Will she have anklet? No she will not have anklet. Rihan, will Rihan have anklet? Yes Rihan will have anklet. Will Rihan have anklet? No Rihan will not have anklet. Madhuri, will Madhuri have anklet? Yes Madhuri will have anklet. Will Madhuri have anklet? No Madhuri will not have anklet. My mother-in-law, will my mother-in-law have anklet? Yes your mother-in-law will have anklet. Will my mother-in-law have anklet? No your mother-in-law will not have anklet. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास में बैंगल्स. BANGLE. बैंगल. बैंगल का मतलब होता है चूड़ी. तो आई से स्टार्ट करेंगे. Will I have bangle? Yes. Yes, you will have bangle. Will I have bangle? No, you will not have bangle. Will we have bangle? Yes, we will have bangle. Will we have bangle? No, we will not have bangle. Will you have bangle? Yes, I will have bangle. Will you have bangle? No, I will not have bangle. Will they have bangle? Yes, they will have bangle. Will they have bangle? No, they will not have bangle. Will boys have bangle? Yes, boys will have bangle. Will boys have bangle? No, boys will not have bangle. Will he have bangle? Yes, he will have bangle. Will he have bangle? No, he will not have bangle. Will she have bangle? Yes, she will have bangle. Will she have bangle? No, she will not have bangle. Will Rehan have bangle? Yes, Rehan will have bangle. Will Rehan have bangle? No, Rehan will not have bangle. Will Madhuri have bangle? Yes, Madhuri will have bangle. Will Madhuri have bangle? No, Madhuri will not have bangle. My mother-in-law Will my mother-in-law have bangle? Yes, your mother-in-law have bangle. Will my mother-in-law have bangle? No, your mother-in-law will not have bangle. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है हमारे पास में बटर मिल्क. बटर मिल्क का मतलब होता है छाछ. BUTTERMILK बटर मिल्क. ओके, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. Will I have buttermilk? Yes, you will have buttermilk. Will I have buttermilk? No, you will not have buttermilk. Will we have buttermilk? Yes, we will have buttermilk. Will we have buttermilk? No, we will not have buttermilk. Will you have buttermilk? Yes, I will have buttermilk. Will you have buttermilk? No, I will not have buttermilk. Will they have buttermilk? Yes, they will have buttermilk. Will they have buttermilk? No, they will not have buttermilk. Will boys have buttermilk? Yes, boys will have buttermilk. Will boys have buttermilk? No, boys will not have buttermilk. Will he have buttermilk? Yes, he will have buttermilk. Will he have buttermilk? No, he will not have buttermilk. Will she have buttermilk? Yes, she will have buttermilk. Will she have buttermilk? No, she will not have buttermilk. Will Rehan have buttermilk? Yes, Rehan will have buttermilk. Will Rehan have buttermilk? No, Rehan will not have buttermilk. Will Madhuri have buttermilk? Yes, Madhuri will have buttermilk. Will Madhuri have buttermilk? No, Madhuri will not have buttermilk. My mother-in-law Will my mother-in-law have buttermilk? Yes, your mother-in-law will have buttermilk. Will my mother-in-law have buttermilk? No, your mother-in-law will not have buttermilk. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास में जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट. जिंजर का मतलब होता है अदरक और गार्लिक का मतलब होता है लहसुन. तो लहसुन और अदरक के पेस्ट की बात हो रही है यहाँ पर. ठीक है, तो लहसुन और अदरक का पेस्ट मार्केट में तो आजकल मिलता है, बाकी तो फ्रेश घर पर ही तैयार किया जाता है. स्टार्ट करेंगे आई से. Will I have ginger garlic paste? Yes, you will have ginger garlic paste. Will I have ginger garlic paste? No, you will not have ginger garlic paste. Will we have ginger garlic paste? Yes, we will have ginger garlic paste. Will we have ginger garlic paste? No, we will not have ginger garlic paste. Will you have ginger garlic paste? Yes, I will have ginger garlic paste. Will you have ginger garlic paste? No, I will not have ginger garlic paste. Will they have ginger garlic paste? Yes, they will have ginger garlic paste. Will they have ginger garlic paste? No, they will not have ginger garlic paste. Will boys have ginger garlic paste? Yes, boys will have ginger garlic paste. Will boys have ginger garlic paste? No, boys will not have ginger garlic paste. Will he have ginger garlic paste? Yes, he will have ginger garlic paste. Will he have ginger garlic paste? No, he will not have ginger garlic paste. Will she have ginger garlic paste? Yes, she will have ginger garlic paste. Will she have ginger garlic paste? No, she will not have ginger garlic paste. Will Rehan have ginger garlic paste? Yes, Rehan will have ginger garlic paste. Will Rehan have ginger garlic paste? No, Rehan will not have ginger garlic paste. Will Madhuri have ginger garlic paste? Yes, Madhuri will have ginger garlic paste. Will Madhuri have ginger garlic paste? No, Madhuri will not have ginger garlic paste. My mother-in-law. Will my mother-in-law have ginger garlic paste? Yes, your mother-in-law will have ginger garlic paste. Will my mother-in-law have ginger garlic paste? No, your mother-in-law will not have ginger garlic paste. अगला वर्ड है हमारे पास में क्लोव्स. CLOVES. क्लोव्स का मतलब होता है लौंग. ठीक है, लौंग जो कड़वा कड़वा होता है. ठीक है, तो इसकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आई से. Will I have cloves? Yes, we will have cloves. Yes, you will have cloves. Will I have cloves? No, you will not have cloves. Will we have cloves? Yes, we will have cloves. Will we have cloves? No, we will not have cloves. Will you have cloves? Yes, I will have cloves. Will you have cloves? No, I will not have cloves. Will they have cloves? Yes, they will have cloves. Will they have cloves? No, they will not have cloves. Will boys have cloves? Yes, boys will have cloves. Will boys have cloves? No, boys will not have cloves. Will he have clothes? Yes, he will have clothes. Will he have clothes? No, he will not have clothes. Will she have clothes? Yes, she will have clothes. Will she have clothes? No, she will not have clothes. Will Rehan have clothes? Yes, Rehan will have clothes. Will Rehan have clothes? No, Rehan will not have clothes. Will Madhuri have clothes? Yes, Madhuri will have clothes. Will Madhuri have clothes? No, Madhuri will not have clothes. My mother-in-law, will my mother-in-law have clothes? Yes, your mother-in-law will have clothes. Will my mother-in-law have clothes? No, your mother-in-law will not have clothes. तो ये थी आज की प्रैक्टिस। इसी तरह से प्रैक्टिस करते रहें और भी जो वर्ड्स आपके पास में हैं उन सब के साथ में प्रैक्टिस करें और फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में। अपना ध्यान रखें। वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और अपना फीडबैक भी दिया करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो। सी यू अगेन। बाय बाय।